In the high castles of Hungary, servants whispered of their mistress, a woman of beauty and cruelty named Elizabeth Báthory. She was a countess draped in silk and jewels, yet her halls smelled of iron and death. Girls were brought to her chambers with promises of work and safety. They never returned. Behind locked doors, their screams echoed through the stone. Their bodies were found pale, drained, discarded in the fields like broken dolls. They said Elizabeth believed blood would keep her young, that she bathed in it, smeared it across her skin, drank it as if it were wine. Her mirror stayed polished, but her reflection grew darker, her eyes hollow, her smile sharp as a blade. When the king's men finally stormed her castle, they found more than 400 names on her ledger of the dead. The walls were stained, the floors slick, and she sat there calm in her chamber, insisting she had done nothing but preserve her beauty. They sealed her in a single room, leaving only a slit for food and air. After a couple of years, she lingered in darkness, until silence fell and the slit was no longer needed. But some say the castle is not empty. On moonless nights, travelers swear they see a pale woman standing at the highest window. Her hands red, her mouth whispering promises of eternal youth. And if you listen too long, they say you may feel a hand on your shoulder, cold, wet, and reeking of death.